Let's dive into division. Hey super math stars, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's start this division adventure. We're going to use the first digit of 276, which is 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits 1 time. Let's check our work. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 2, which leaves us with 0. Awesome, you've got the first part down. Time to bring down the next digit. Next up, we've got 7 waiting for us. We bring down the 7, now we have 7 to work with. How many times does 2 go into 7? It goes in 3 times. Let's multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6. Subtract 6 from 7, what's left? A remainder of 1. Woohoo, you're doing fantastic. Get ready for the last digit. Last but not least, let's grab the 6. We bring down the 6 next to our remainder 1, making it 16. How many times does 2 fit into 16? It's 8 times. Check it out, 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract 16 from 16, we have 0 left. Perfect. You nailed it, what a star. We've reached the end of our division journey. We found that 276 divided by 2 is 138. Great job, everyone. We solved 276 divided by 2 using long division. Remember, every step is a chance to shine. You all did amazing. Keep practicing and you'll be division wizards in no time. Check out more fun math adventures on Let's Stud.